Guys, so today we're gonna get a little witchy. Stay tuned. So of course, first I went in and started blocking out my eyebrows using the good old-fashioned glue stick, and I smoothed that down, trying to give my eyebrows as much protection as possible because I don't want to lose them. Next, I went in with some tissue and latex to create a pronounced brow, and I did about 3 layers of tissue and latex to really build that up. I really wanted to transform my face as much as possible when I did this look, and I'm pretty much going for like an old school witch that is hundreds of years old and out to eat your kids. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I wanted to do. And of course I did the same thing with the other eyebrow, and I am just going in with more latex to really build that up. Next, I'm going in with Scar Wax and petroleum jelly to smooth the Scar Wax down. To apply the Scar Wax, I used Pros-Aide because Pros-Aide is stronger than Spirit Gum and it lasts longer, for me anyway. I've noticed that it lasts longer and is stronger, so I prefer to use that over Spirit Gum. And I'm using a mix of like the Ben Nye Scar Wax and the Graftobian Scar Wax. And I'm using this Graftobian Pros-Aide to apply it. And I'm using a lot of petroleum jelly to smooth that down. Next, I'm going in with a full coverage foundation, and this is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. And I used a few shades darker than what I would normally use, just to make sure it actually covered everything. And next I'm going in with more latex all over my face now. So I wanted to give it that aged texture and wrinkles and all that stuff, good stuff. And I think I did about 3 layers of this as well. Just really building it up. Next, I'm going in with a stippling brush with that same foundation to do touch-ups. And then next, I'm going in with the nose. And for this, I went in with thin layers of cotton and latex, and I just alternated between the two and just kept building it up and shaping it as I went along. I don't know why my camera keeps going in and out of focus. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's what I kept going. And I thought of this idea because I saw a prosthetic in the Halloween store and I really wasn't impressed with it, and I felt like I could do something better. And I did the same for the chin. Just kept going in with layers of cotton and latex and building and shaping as I went along. And this is the two of them dried at this point. So next I went in with the stippling brush again, just to apply the foundation all over and cover everything I just did. So next I went in with my Mehron Pro Coloring in Bruise, and I'm going with the black color around my eyes, and I'm smudging that out to of course give that aged look, aged, tired, weathered look. And then I'm going in more and just adding details all over my face with the same bruised wheel. And I'm going in with the maroon color. Just give more of that bruised, aged effect all over my face. Next I'm going in with my fingers, applying more of the bruise wheel. Create more color and texture and bruising all over the face. And I just went in with some lipstick. I used NYX liquid lipstick in Alien. And popped in some contacts. And these bright yellow contacts really make everything else just look darker. And that is my witch look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. I still have so many ideas I'm about to just like run through for the next month. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos because I really like making them. Thanks. See you later. Bye.